Love is in the air here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. In recognition of Valentine's Day, we're going to be making these Valentine's themed earrings. Here's what you'll need to get started. A 1-inch 21 gauge gold-plated brass head pin, a 3x1mm brass ribbed bead cap, a 9.5 by 6mm glass ruby teardrop bead, a 2.5mm gold-plated brass round bead, a 6x1.5mm gold finished brass bead cap, a 1-inch 21 gauge gold-plated brass eye pin, an 8mm check press glass flower bead, an 8mm gold-plated brass ear stud, and a 5.5 by 4mm gold-plated brass ear nut. So we're going to start by taking our head pin and the smallest bead cap and that right on there facing up. And we'll take our teardrop bead, just slide her on there. And next is this little tiny round bead. And we're going to go ahead and make a simple loop on this. So we'll grab our flat nose pliers. Make sure your beads are slid all the way down onto the head pin. And we're going to make a 90-degree bend right at the top of that bead. Okay. Then we'll use our flush nose cutters just to cut off just a little bit of excess on this. Okay, and we'll grab our round nose pliers and we're going to make a simple loop right here. So let's place it in the jaws, roll it back. And put my fingernail in there to keep my bend nice. Reset my jaws and roll that back. A nice little loop there. Now ready to make the second little segment. So we'll take our eye pin and we'll put on the first bead cap facing up. And we're going to take the pressed glass bead with the little rose on it. We'll add that on there. And we'll put the next bead cap on, facing back down. So it puts a nice little top and bottom on that pressed glass bead. And now we're going to make another simple loop. So with our flat nose pliers, go ahead and make another 90-degree bend. I'm going to cut off any excess, which there's going to be a little bit. So we'll go ahead and nip that off. And back to our round nose pliers. This is going to be a pretty small loop. So we're going to use the narrower end of the jaw. So we'll go ahead and bend that up. Reset our jaw and roll that up. Make sure we get all the way around. Okay. Now, we got to open up the loop on this piece, just like a jump ring. Gonna twist it open and add that to our pressed glass bead. Go ahead and twist that back closed. Okay, and then all we have to do is open up this top loop on the pressed bead and we'll add it to our ear nut. Just like a jump ring. Twist it open. Grab our ear nut. Place it on there. Twist that loop back closed, just like a jump ring. Put on the nut, and there you have it. And you've got a beautiful rose earring. Perfect for Valentine's Day. You can make a bunch of them. Wear it yourself, gift it. Have a happy Valentine's Day.